Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's find the apps which are right here, apps and notifications. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on special app access. Here let's scroll down in order to find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. If you'd like to change it, so for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Of course, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually your device under risk. So remember about that. Of course, you can turn off all of the permissions. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.